Implications for humanity. Now let's explore the incredible possibilities that would unfold if Earth isn't the only planet with life. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, whether microbial or intelligent, would completely shatter our understanding of the universe. It would force us to rethink everything we know about biology, evolution, and our place in the cosmos. Imagine what it would feel like to learn that life exists beyond Earth, perhaps even thriving on distant planets. It's a mind-bending concept, but it's also an incredibly exciting one. If we were to discover extraterrestrial life, it would be a monumental moment in human history. Not only would we have proof that we're not alone in the universe, but we'd also have the opportunity to study entirely new forms of life. We could learn how life evolved in different environments, how it adapts to unique conditions, and how it survives in places we once thought were uninhabitable. This could open doors to entirely new fields of science, revolutionizing everything from medicine to energy production. But it wouldn't stop there. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would spark a global conversation about the ethics of contacting and interacting with alien species. Should we try to communicate with them, or should we exercise caution, knowing that advanced civilizations could be far more powerful than we are? Would this knowledge change how we see ourselves as a species? The debate would be as much philosophical and theological as it would be scientific. Would the discovery challenge our beliefs about creation, God, and the nature of existence? These are the kinds of questions that would arise, and the answers would shape our future for centuries to come. And let's not forget about the possibility of intelligent extraterrestrial life. If we were to make contact with an advanced civilization, it would be one of the most profound events in human history. Imagine what we could learn from them. New technologies, new philosophies, and perhaps even the key to solving some of humanity's greatest challenges, like climate change, poverty, or disease. The implications for the future of humanity would be endless.